Today I'm going to show you all the gadgets I intend to bring on the trip. Gotta say it's a little embarrassing, but here goes. First up is the phone. I want to stay in touch with all of you, so stay in touch with me. Follow me on Facebook and watch my YouTube videos. It'll be fun. Then, totally for fun, is the Gopro Camera. I'm not totally sure how much I'll actually use it, but I think it'll just be fun. It's got an extra battery, and of course, charging cable. This cable will be able to share the phone and the GoPro. One cable, two devices, not bad. Then I've got the Garmin 830, and this one is going to be essential for route finding, and of course, tracking mileage and speed, and you gotta track all that shit, right? Graph it. It'll be fun. Of course, with a cable. And then I've got the lights. I've got the headlights, the tail light, primary tail light, and an extra tail light. Just from the past, I'll probably clip it to the back of my jersey or something. I don't do a ton of night riding, but when it comes to riding in the rain or the fog, I'm going to be lit. Of course, with a cable. And to power these lovely devices, I've got a 10,000 milliamp battery pack. This one has two USB ports, and it in the past has been able to charge the phone, the lights, a couple of 3-4 days depending on circumstances. Of course, with its own charging cable. And then to top it off, now I am traveling with the Cpap. Yes, I'd like to be able to breathe clearly at night, get a good night's sleep. Let's see how that goes. If it turns out to be too cumbersome, I'm shipping it home. I don't know where home is at this point, but I'll ship it somewhere and pick it up another day. Naturally, it comes with its own charging cable. And it comes with its own battery pack. It's about a 3-pound battery pack, 72,000 milliamps of power. Should give me 2.5 to 3 days on the Cpap. With its own charging cable again, of course. The battery has got its DC port, a couple of USB ports. So naturally, I'll be finding a power source every 2 to 3 days, either with a warm showers host, Airbnb, campground, or you. Maybe you'll host me and let me charge all my devices and all my battery packs. Hope to see you on the road. Follow me on YouTube and Facebook. See you next time.